The Orion MotorTech Vacuum Pump Kit is a comprehensive solution for auto AC servicing, featuring essential tools such as a 1/3 horsepower vacuum pump and a 3-way manifold gauge. Its all-copper motor ensures efficient operation with a flow rate of 4 cubic feet per minute, while the aluminum alloy casing provides excellent heat dissipation and corrosion resistance. The high-accuracy manifold gauge allows for precise, real-time monitoring of coolant conditions, and the color-coded hoses are designed to withstand pressures up to 600 pounds per square inch. User-friendly features include a built-in cooling fan for heat management, a sight glass for easy oil level monitoring, and a bottom drain valve for quick oil emptying. Compatible with various refrigerants such as R134A, R12, R22, and R502, this vacuum pump kit is versatile enough for both indoor and auto HVAC systems. For added convenience, the kit comes with a durable case and bag, ensuring organized storage and easy transport.